So children, today we will do revision exercise on surface areas and volumes. Okay, first question. First question. Tanmay, are you there? A metallic sphere 1 decimeter in diameter. 1 decimeter is diameter. 1 decimeter is there in diameter. Is beaten into a circular sheet of uniform thickness. It is sphere is made into circular sheet. Circular sheet. Sphere is of equal thickness. Thickness will be there in your children. Thickness will be equal to 1 mm. Question is find the radius of the sheet. Tanmay, can you say?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Sphere is
Sir,
converted into. Sphere is converted into. Anyone?
4 by
Sphere is converted into what, Nana?
hemisphere.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Sphere is converted into cylinder. Circular sheet. It is like a coin. Very thin circular sheet. Coin is a cylinder, no children. Sphere is converted into cylinder. Tanmay, sphere is converted into cylinder. Can you tell now? 4 by 3.
4 by 3 pi r cube equals to pi r square h.
Okay, pi cancel.
Pi cancel.
1
4
decimeter in diameter. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2.
into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to
1
r
mm.
square.
How to convert mm? How to convert mm to meters? How to convert mm to meters?
Sir, by into
By thousand. Mm to meters by thousand. How to convert decimeters to meters?
By 10, sir.
By 10. Decimeters to meters by 10 children. Decimeters to meters by 10. Decimeters to meters by 10 children. So please see here children. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2, 2s are 4, 4 cancel. So children, what you see here, r square is equal to 1 by 6. R is equal to root of 1 by 6. That is 1 by root 6 is the answer, centimeters. Okay, children. So a sphere is converted into circular sheet. Circular sheet means cylinder, children. Sphere is converted into circular sheet. Circular sheet means cylinder, children. Cylinder. Okay, cylinder. Same question. Lahari, three solid spheres of 3, 4, 5. Three solid spheres of 3, 4, 5 are melted and made into a big sphere. What is the radius of this sphere? Lahari.
Volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere is equal to volume of big sphere.
Okay.
4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi big R cube.
4 by 3 pi big R cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. Keep saying.
3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube is equal to big R cube.
Okay.
27 plus 64 plus 125 is equal to R.
Okay. How much? 260. 260 is equal to R cube.
6 cube is equal to R cube. R is 6 centimeter.
Radius of big sphere is 6 centimeters. Srihita.
Yes, sir.
Question is like this. One second. A spherical shell. Yeah. A spherical shell of lead. Spherical shell of lead means how? External diameter is 18. External diameter is 18 centimeter. Is melted and recasted into a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder whose height is 8 centimeter. Whose height is 8 centimeter and diameter is 12 centimeter. Question is determine the internal diameter of the shell. Yeah, Sridhar.
Volume of sphere is
Hollow sphere is equal to
volume of cylinder
volume of hollow sphere formula
4 by 3 pi r cube minus small r cube pi r square h.
okay.
Pi cancel 4 by 3
Bigger
into
is how much? Bigger is how much?
18 cube 9.
9 cube.
9 minus small 9 cube minus small r cube 6 into 6 into 8.
Okay. So 4 2s are 8. 3 will come here. 3 2s are
6.
so 9 cube is 729 minus R cube is equal
R
to
cube is
6
equal
cube
to
is 216. This comes here, this goes there. R cube is
R
equal
cube
to
is equals to 729 minus 216.
okay, 9 minus 6 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 5. 5 and 3 are. Oh, 5 and 3. Who will go in 5 and 3? Really? One will go. Third question, second answer. Third, yeah, it won't go children. So just 5 and cube. And so what you will write an answer? Cube root of 5 and 3.
Cube 5 and 3
Cube root of 5 and 3 centimeters is the inner
is the
radius.
inner face.
Inner radius. Diameter means 2 into cube root of 5 and 3. Okay. Next. Nandika is there?
Yes, sir.
Children, everyone are copying, I think. I'm asked to share the notes. You should be in a position to share the notes. If you don't share, I will not allow you to next class. Everyone is copying. A well with 10 meters inside diameter. A well is there with 10 meters inside diameter. Is dug 8.4 meter depth. 8.4 meter depth. Okay, and earth taken out is in the spread around it in the width of 7.5 meters. The whatever earth taken out it is spread around it a width of 4.8 meters. Width, okay, 4.8 meters. No, 7.5 meters. 7.5 meters width. Find the height of the embankment. Height of the embankment. Did you
Yes.
understand the question?
No, sir, I didn't.
They have dug the well. Whatever sand is coming from the well is used in making the embankment. You know what is an embankment? It is a
Yes.
parapet wall which is constructed around the well. So embankment is a hollow cylinder. Embankment is a
Okay.
hollow cylinder. Now tell me how to do this question. Volume of well.
Volume of well is equal to volume of embankment.
Embankment. So volume of
Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of hollow cylinder.
okay.
Pi r square h is equal to pi h into big R square minus small r square. Pi cancel. 5 into 5 into 8.4 is equal to 8.4 into sorry
Of
h
embankment they
into
ask it. Smaller is how much? 5.
yes
Smaller is
5 plus
5.
7.5.
5 plus 7.5
5
is
plus
bigger.
7.5 whole square.
That is 12.5 whole square.
12.5 whole square.
Okay. So
25 into 8, 8.4 is equal to h into 12.5. Okay, 17.5 into 7.5.
A plus B into A minus B.
A minus
Both bring
h
down
is equal to 25 into 8.4 by 17.
17.5 into 7.5. How much is that, children? Can anyone help me answer? So this gone. So this is 3s are 3 2s are 3 2s are 6 3s are 0s are. So approximately you will get the let's see the answer 1.6 centimeters. 1.6 centimeters is the height of embankment. Is the height of embankment. Okay. Next, Yashasvi is there.
Yes, sir.
Yana, keep telling. Fifth question is there like this. He's saying that in the middle of the rectangular field, measuring 30 into 20, 30 into 20 meters. 30 into 20 meters. What is happening? A well of 7 meters diameter. A well of 7 meters diameter. A well of 7 meters diameter is dug. Okay, and whatever 10 meter depth, up to 10 meter depth it is dug, and whatever sand is coming from this is kept in this part, and because all the sand is kept in this part, some part of it will be raised, What is the thickness? So length they have given, breadth they have given, height they are asking. Do you understand the question? Yashasvi?
Yes, sir.
What did you
Yes, sir.
understand? What did you understand?
Sir, I didn't understand that much, but I understood a little bit.
What do you do then? Volume
So
of
sorry, sir, I lost.
Volume of the dug, sir.
cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder is
Cylinder
equal
is
to
equals to volume of
Volume of. Anyone in the class? Anyone can take
Cuboid.
this up?
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
No, no. Anyone in the class? Anyone? 8th class also no problem.
Volume of cylinder, sir.
Volume of cylinder. Whatever sand is taken out is kept here. Whatever sand is taken out is kept
Sir, volume
here.
of cuboid minus volume of cylinder.
No, no.
Volume.
Volume of rectangle.
No, rectangle what? Na? Rectangle is no. Forget about rectangle. Anyone? Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? Meghana?
Volume of cuboid.
That is cuboid only. I accept. But directly we should not do.
Sir, cuboid minus cylinder, sir.
See children, this is rectangle. In rectangle, a circular well is dug. Okay. So remaining portion. Volume of cylinder well is correct only, but this remaining portion means area of rectangle minus area of circle into height. Because volume is area into height. Volume is area into height. Area of rectangle from, you have to remove this circular portion because here it is dug, no. So area of rectangle minus area of circle you remove and into height. Actually LBH. L into B is area. Area of rectangle minus area of circle you should do and into height. Then you will get remaining portion raise. Okay, so now what happens means, Yashasvi now tell volume of cylinder is how much?
So pi r square h.
Area of rectangle?
L into B
Area
minus
of circle?
pi r square
Okay.
into h.
22 by 7 into?
22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 10.
Then think about
30 into 20
minus
minus 22 by 7 into
7 by 2 into
7 by 2 into 7 by 2
h.
into h.
Okay, children, this gone. 2 11s are 2 5s are 11 5s are 55. 55 into 7 is equal to 600 minus this gone. 2 11s are 77 by 2 is 38.5 into h. This whole thing comes down. H is equal to 55 into 7 minus 600 minus 38.5 is 500 and
61.5.
If you remove this point, 550 into 7 by 5615 and the height raised, if you put all the sand in this remaining portion, the height rise which is occurring will be equal to, fifth question answer is 68.6 centimeters. 68.6 centimeters. Those who did not understand, again I am saying, this is rectangle, here well is there, remove this area, then you will get area, remaining part area into height gives the volume of remaining portion. Volume of remaining portion is area of rectangle minus area of circle gives volume, area of remaining portion into this height,
Sir, how can a three like well is 3D, right, sir? How can it be drawn in rectangle, sir?
I see on the ground you think, this is ground, okay na?
Okay, sir.
Wherever well is there, that circle is gone now.
Yes, sir.
From this rectangle, remove this circular portion, you will get remaining area. Are you getting remaining area?
Yes, sir.
That area into height of both of them is volume.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
sir, but we won't get answer 68.6, sir. Because 550 into 7 is 3850, sir. By 561.
Actually, you will get answer in meters. Convert meters into centimeters. Actually, you will get answer in meters. Everything is in meters. How much you got, you tell? I will tell. 550 into 7 by 5615. How much you got, you tell? How much? Emma?
We are getting like 0.68566 like that, sir.
0.
Yes, sir. 0.685.
685 meters. Into 100 you do. Okay, children, very nice question, children. This is very nice question. Try to understand, children. Okay, so next question. Sixth question, children. Please try to keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Sixth question. Sixth question is there like this, children. The inner and outer radius of hollow cylinder. Children, the inner and outer radius of hollow cylinder. The inner and outer radius of hollow cylinder are 1.5 and 20. 1.5 and 20. Okay, 1.5 and 20 centimeters, children. Inner and outer radius are no, not 1.5, children, 15. 15 and 20 centimeters. The cylinder is melted and made into a solid cylinder of same height. It is made into a solid cylinder of same height. This height and this height are same. Question is, what is the radius of this new cylinder? What is the radius of this new cylinder? Vivek?
Yes, sir. Volume of hollow cylinder is equal to?
Hollow cylinder is
equal to volume of cylinder.
Solid
volume of solid cylinder, sir.
So
pi h into big R square minus small r square is equal to pi r square h. Pi cancel, h cancel, sir. H is same. Okay. Yes, sir. R square 20 square minus 15 square is equal to r square, sir. 400 minus 225 is equal to r square, sir. So it's r square is equal to 125. R square is equal to root of 125. Sir.
Root of 25 into
25 into 20. 5 root 5.
5 root 5 centimeters. Next, Vikram. Two cylinder vessels are filled with oil, children. Two cylindrical vessels are filled with oil. Both of them have oil. Two cylindrical vessels are filled with oil. The radii are 15 and 12 centimeters. This is 15 and this is 12 centimeters are the radii, children. The radii are 15 and 12 centimeters and heights are 20 and 16. This is 20 and this is 16 centimeters height, children. Now, find the radius of cylindrical vessel 21 centimeter height. This is 21 centimeter height. What is its radius which can accommodate these two oils? Anyone? No, not anyone. Vikram is there? Vikram is not there. Neeraj?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, volume of volume 1 plus volume 2 is equal to volume of the big cylinder.
Okay, pi r1 square.
Pi r1 square h1 plus pi r square 2 h2 is equal to pi r2 h.
Pi r square h. Okay.
Pi r square h.
Okay, so pi e cancel.
Cancel,
okay.
Sir.
So how much? 15 square into 20.
15 square into 20 plus 12 square into 16 plus r square into 21.
Okay, so 225 into 20 is how much? 4500. 144 into 16.
144 into 16.
21. Okay. Can anyone help me how much? This how much is anyone?
144 into 16, sir.
2304.
2304.
This is 230. So 4500 plus 2304 is how much, children? 4086.
6804.
Square into 21.
R is equal to r square into 21. So r square is equal to 6804 by 21.
Anyone, please
6804.
3
Sir, 324, sir.
324. 324. Whose square is there? 18 square.
18 square, sir.
So 18 centimeters is radius of big cylinder. 18
Yes, sir.
centimeters is radius of big cylinder. Okay, children? Like 18 centimeters is radius of big cylinder. Next one. 8th question. Next, children, 8th question. A cylindrical bucket 25 centimeters in diameter. Okay, children, 1 second. Okay, children, enough, children. Tomorrow we'll discuss remaining questions. Time is getting over. So tomorrow we'll discuss remaining questions. Please practice it some 2 times or 3 times and we will show us practice, children. Thank you so much.